evening, students. So the today's project is to find out whether a number that we input is even or odd. So the project is to find the number find the number is even or odd. This is a question asked by one of my students. He asked me to please give a solution for this program. So dear students, first is CLS. CLS. Now we'll use one command, that is input enter any number. We are going to enter a number and we'll find out whether it is a even or odd, and the variable is n. Now here we're going to compare it. If and mode 2. Now what the function of this mode, what the use of this mode function? It is used to find out the remainder. If we divide a number by 2 and the remainder is 0 and quotient is whole number, then it is a even number. So when we divide a number by 2 and the remainder is 0, then it is going to print and semicolon inverted comma is even number, else again print n is odd number, and I'm going to select it, right click, copy. I'll go up, open my VB and I'll paste it over here. So function key F5 is used to run a program. Enter number. We are going to enter number, say 56. Enter. The number is even. Let's see once again. Function key F5 to run a program. 61. Enter. A number is odd. So dear students, this is the coding to find out whether a number is even or odd. Dear students, please practice a lot and give your best. May God bless you. Jai Hind.